Well, hey everybody, Michael here once again. Welcome to the Life Size City YouTube channel, and today I want to show you a little bite-sized segment, pretty short actually I think today, from the Tokyo episode of the Life Size City. Now I get asked a lot of the same kind of questions when I meet people who have seen the TV series. What city impressed you the most? Where is the most kind of stuff happening? It's a really hard question, man, because everywhere I go, in all the first 3 seasons, man, it is just amazing to meet the people. And it's really the people that I remember. But design-wise, yeah, there is this park in Tokyo, which blew me away. It's like a video game wandering through this park, trying to figure out what all the dual purpose of everything is. What can the benches do? What can they transform into? Because the Japanese, man, they are so well prepared for the next big earthquake, which is overdue. It could be tonight, it could be in 20 years, but they're getting ready for it. And this park is an amazing example of the duality of design, double purpose design thinking. Please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Let me take you to the park.
Being the largest metropolitan area on the planet comes with its fair share of challenges. The most prominent of them is dealing with the seismic instability that guides everyday life. Yet, like everything here, it all seems to be well under control, with surreal solutions that feel like they're part of a science fiction film script. But trust me, it's all very real, and a lot of it is cool. There are thousands of earthquakes each year in Japan. There was one yesterday. Magnitude 3 apparently, but I've been told that the city is prepared. Buildings are systematically equipped with anti-earthquake technology. A massive underground network can diverge water in case of a tsunami. Emergency centers can pop up on every block. This neighborhood park is an excellent example of Tokyo's unique quest for safety. Hello, Go.
Hello, Mikael.
Nice to see you. What is the exact risk that we're talking about here?
70 to 80% within 20 to 30 years. So within 20 to 30 years means could be 30 years later or could be tonight.
Go works for Japan's Association for Aid and Relief, which provides international emergency assistance to victims of natural catastrophes. He's acquired knowledge from around the world and has now brought his expertise home.
We should expect something unexpected. That's the preparation we need. This park actually can be transformed to evacuation place. Some equipment here can be used as totally different function at the time of the disaster.
こちらが井戸になります。
There it is.
はい、どうぞ。
Oh, look at that. Like a barbecue. This is like a video game. You gotta find all the different disaster elements.
海外用トイレと。
This is fun.
こちらは普段子供たちの遊具なんですが、来た時にはこの周りにテントを張って雨風をしのげる。
これですね。
こちらが屋根と周りにテントを張って。
On the technical side of things, Tokyo is well prepared for an eventual large-scale disaster. Its citizens, however, don't all seem to be on the same page when it comes to collaboration. Oddly, it feels like they're living fragmented, isolated lives, making human relations a bit complicated. Not knowing your neighbors, especially when there are so many of them, can really be a showstopper should you need to help each other out.
The bond of the neighborhood is not that strong, so people don't know who is your neighbor. So it's quite hard to imagine at the time of disaster, people can help each other or identify where is an elder person or where they have kids so that we should go help.